Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today, we're with BG Products Incorporated in Wichita, Kansas. BG Products provides the highest quality products and equipment to dealerships, independent shops, and franchises so they can perform maintenance services on consumer vehicles. BG Products is committed to maintaining vehicles through high-quality automotive maintenance services for fuel systems, engines, transmissions, brakes, power steering, cooling systems, battery, driveline, and climate control systems. Founded nearly 50 years ago by 6 military veterans and 1 land speed record holder with years of experience in the automotive industry, BG Products is a company based on the contributions of people working together in a common cause of selling superior quality automotive products. Unique to the industry, BG Products works through a close-knit network of independent distributors. Every business day, more than 40,000 shops, dealerships, and technicians use their products, services, tools, and equipment. In a recent national survey, dealership service managers said they use BG Products as their supplier of fluid maintenance service products and equipment by a margin of nearly 3-to-1 over any other supplier. Manufactured in Wichita, El Dorado, and Derby, Kansas, and distributed all over the world, BG's professional use products and equipment add more efficiency, miles per gallon, and long-term reliability to vehicles. As engines become more sophisticated, the maintenance requirements evolve from year to year. BG keeps pace with these changes through detailed, comprehensive educational and training programs like BG University and web-based BG Certified Service Advisor training. Trust your automotive products with BG and learn more about BG at bgprod.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.